G'day guys, today I'm making my super easy potato bake, one of my absolute camp cooking favourites. A couple of simple ingredients turn out to be a delicious dish in the camp oven. All you need for it is obviously some spuds. Now you can use fresh spuds or you can use canned spuds. They're also good if you are away for longer. We've got a few of those in the pantry. And you need some a bit of vegetables. I got some dried peas here. Long live peas, easy to store, super lightweight. They come from the pantry. I'll put a bit of meat in there. Normally I'd use bacon and a fresh onion, a red onion or a brown onion, doesn't matter. Now I made pizza the other day and I got some leftover chorizo and onions, so I'm going to use them up today. Another important ingredient you'll need is cream. Then cheese for the topping and a couple of seasonings. I use black pepper, a bit of onion salt, a bit of garlic, vegetable stock, that's important, and I'll top it up with paprika, but that's optional. In terms of utensils, you'll need a camp oven, a grater if you haven't got grated cheese, some sort of tray to bake it in, and a trivet to keep the heat off the bottom of the camp oven. If you haven't got a camp oven, another thing you can do, you can make it in your Weber grill. All you need is a pizza stone underneath it to prevent the bottom from overheating and burning. Okay, let's get to it. Alright guys, here it is, our potato bake, simple and easy. Now one thing maybe I should have done is put the peas on the bottom, because they still look a bit dehydrated. They need to soak up the juices obviously, but I think it'll still work, so let's have a look.
Might take.
Look at that. So last time I did this, I didn't put enough water in there. It's a bit, I was like, oh, I've got to put a bit more water in it next time. So I did, and I think this time was a bit too much. But look at that, it costs almost nothing. And it's a bulk feed.
A bulk feed.
Bulk feed.
Bulk feed.
Bulk feed. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. It's a lot of peas, eh? It doesn't look like much in that little pack. There's a lot of peas though. Anyway, we'll give this a try now and give you our honest review. Although we know what it tastes. We've had it many times before.
Honest review.
Honest review of our well-known potato bake. Jenny?
Yeah. Yum! Bubble Adventure potato bag. Yum!
Yes! That's it. Guys, hope you enjoyed this little video. Hopefully you'll get to do this yourself one day. Please drop a comment below and let us know what you think of this super easy potato bake. It'll work out. Do you have any problems with this? Just let us know, man. It'd be awesome. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you around next time when we do camp cooking again, eh?
Definitely.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks, guys. Let us eat now, because we're super hungry.